So here's our first look at FL Studio. But before we dive into creating, let's tailor the interface to optimize our workflow. Take a look at the various skins available. This is where you can personalize FL Studio to suit your preferences and enhance your overall user experience. Customizing the interface ensures that the workflow aligns seamlessly with your creative process. Let's make it just right for our needs. By selecting different skins, you not only change the look, but can also fine-tune the aesthetics to your liking. Explore further customization options by adjusting parameters like saturation, contrast, and other settings. This level of personalization ensures that your FL Studio interface not only suits your visual preferences, but also enhances your overall creative experience. It's all about making it uniquely yours. In the File section, you can easily configure time intervals for auto backups and designate additional folders, like your sample storage on the D drive, streamlining your workflow in FL Studio. For beginners, a crucial setting in FL Studio is configuring your audio output to match your sound drivers. FL Studio automatically presents audio settings. I suggest using FL Studio ASIO settings for optimal performance, though experimentation is encouraged as hardware responses vary. Adjust the sample rate based on your CPU capacity. Lower rates increase CPU usage, while higher rates introduce delays in audio sampling. Finding the right balance ensures a seamless audio experience. To elevate your mixing and mastering capabilities, consider integrating an external sound card like Focusrite. Connecting a quality sound card can significantly enhance audio processing, providing a more refined and professional touch to your music production in FL Studio. That wraps it up, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the journey thus far. If you find these tutorials helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to ensure you don't miss out on upcoming tutorials. Your support keeps the learning experience going strong.